Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a video, just a quick video to show you guys how I get my natural 1B hair to jet black. Of course the hair is provided by LumiSpyce.com. It is my hair company, so please check it out. Look how cute our packaging is. Like, it's so cute. Look at the thank you cards. And of course, with your first purchase, you can use the coupon code LumiSpyce to get 10% off. Yep, I'm such a girly girl. Look at how cute the fringe is. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hold up 1 second. Let me just remind y'all. Let me play some music while y'all do that, okay? Hold on 1 second.
I'm in love with you. I'm in love with the cold. I'm in love with you. No, no.
So of course we're using hair from LumiSpyce.com. This is our deep wave texture. I'm using bundles 20, 22, and 24 with the 18-inch frontal. The hair is so beautiful. I love the texture. It's like so nice, but it comes in natural colors, so of course I want to change it. First thing you need is a hot bowl of water and any dye that is jet black. I use this one from Adore. I love this one because the color is just really nice. So I already made a wig with the bundles, and so I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it. First, I'm gonna take the dye and I'm just gonna put a little bit inside of the bowl and just mix it really nicely. I'm gonna take the wig and put it inside of the bowl. I recommend you do this before you bleach the knots on your frontal. Even if the dye gets on the frontal, you can still take it out when you bleach the knots anyway, so don't worry about that. But sometimes the dye will not get on the frontal, but sometimes it does. But just in case it do, your hands are probably going to get a little bit stained if you don't wear gloves, so I really recommend you wear gloves. When I was doing this video, I didn't notice that my hands were stained until after, so make sure you wear gloves. So I left the hair outside to air dry all day. Then I went ahead and installed the wig. So this is how the wig came out after I installed it. It's so nice, it's so pretty, it's so black. It just looks better when it's like black, you know, instead of just the 1B color. I don't like that 1B color, so I always like dye my hair. But anyways, it looks so beautiful. This is what the natural texture looks like. I did not add any curls to it, not at all. This is exactly what it looks like from outside after I air dry it outside. It's so pretty. I love it. And by the way, check out LumiSpyce.com, and also the discount code will be listed down below so you can get some discount when you order from us. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Thank you for your support, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I hit my plug, that's a trollo. You got it for the low, low. If you stitching, I go low.